Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the new chapter, the structural organization of animal. In this chapter we study about the morphology and the systems of the cockroach. The cockroach, the scientific name is Periplaneta americana. As the species name is Americana, it is native places America. It is not the indigenous variety. It belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. That is the largest phylum. So the cockroach is omnivore. Omnivore, it can feed upon all the type of substances. It can feed upon the papers, on the organic matter, inorganic matter. So it feed on all the subject or substance. So it is a omnivore food habit. The skeleton is made up of chitin. Skeleton is made up of chitin. So chitinous skeleton, that is highly resistant to the cold and warm. So no chemical, no radiation can be harmed. So chitinous skeleton make it susceptible or resistant to the colder and warmer condition. The body is divided, as we see in the diagram. The head is there, this is the head, and the red one, these are the thorax. So body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Head, 3 parts, the thorax consists of 3 parts and the abdomen consists of 10 segments. The thorax divided into 3 segments and the abdomen consists of 10 segments. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The head attached with the thorax. The head attached with the thorax with the help of short neck. And the neck is called cervicum. Neck is called cervicum, but the neck is embedded or it is not visible due to the thorax. The thorax has 3 regions or the 3 segments: the prothorax, mesothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. So the thorax is divisible into 3 parts and the abdomen is divisible into 10 parts. The mouth parts, the head consists mouth part. The mouth parts are biting and chewing type. Biting and chewing type of mouth parts are there. And the mouth is hypognathous. For example, this is the animal. It is mouth is like this, downward. So hypognathous. It is called hypognathous. So this type, the oral opening is downward. The mouth is downward. So this is called, the condition is called hypognathous. The head is right angle to the mouth. The thorax is divisible into 3 parts and made up of the small pieces. The small pieces of chitinous plates. The thorax is made up of the pieces of chitinous plates called stigmata. called sclerites. Called the chitinous plate that covered the thorax, that covered the body, are sclerites. The four sclerites, है ना, the four plates or the sclerites that covered the body. On the dorsal side, the tergum is there. The dorsal side, the tergum is there. On the ventral side, the sternum. For example, this is the dorsal side, this is the ventral side, and two lateral pleura, है ना. So the four sclerites are dorsal side sternum, the ventral side sternum, and the two lateral pleura. So four sclerites cover the body with the chitinous plate. It has two compound eyes. These are the head bear two compound eye that form the mosaic image, very large image, and head also bear two antenna. Head bear two long antenna, two compound eyes, and the mouth parts. The mouth parts we discussed. This is the biting and chewing type. The anthroidal plates, है ना? Sorry, the arthrodial plates. The arthrodial plates join these sclerites. The arthrodial membrane join these sclerites together. So the head consists of this is portion of head that contain compound eye, antenna, and the 6 mouth parts. The head also consists of 6 parts that we discuss later. The 6 parts bear on the head, the compound eye are there, and the 2 long antenna. The thorax are divided into 3 parts: the prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. The thorax bear the wings, the 2 pair of wings. These are called tergum. The long wings is called tergum, or it is prothoracic wings. Prothoracic wings. And the another one is fore wings. We can also the fore wing, and it is hind wing. The fore wings, one of the mesothoracic and the another one is metathoracic. The junction of pro are meso, and the another one is meso and metathoracic. So 2 pair of wings and 3 pair of legs. Each leg, prothoracic leg, mesothoracic leg, and metathoracic leg. All the legs are of similar kind. All the legs are made up of 9 segments. All the legs are similar in structure and they are made up of 9 segments. Now we discuss about the wings of the cockroach. The mouth parts are of different kinds. So it consists of mouth parts. We discussed the chewing and biting type. It is made up of labrum that act as a upper lip, a pair of mandible, a pair of maxilla, labium that act as a lower lip, and the hypopharynx that act as a lingua or tongue. The labrum, upper lip, labium, lower lip, the maxilla, the accessory jaw, The mandible, that is a two part, that has two parts, the grinding parts and the incisor parts. The thorax it consists of 10 segments, and it also consists the anal sulci. This is the anal sulci. This is the sensitive in nature. Sensitive in nature, it is the part of the nervous system. It provides the sensation, it provides the coordination or sensation to the animal. The two pair of wings are present in the thoracic region. The thoracic region, the two prothoracic wings are present, and the forewing, they are also called the forewings and the hind wings. The forewings also called the terga. Forewings also called the, right here, tegmina, and the hind wing. They are grown from the junction of pro and mesothorax. So they are called anterior wings. They are also called prothoracic wing. They are also called elytra. They are also called tegmina. They are protective in nature. The tegmina are protective in nature. They are dark, opaque, leathery in texture, covered complete the body. Tegmina covered, they are protective in nature. The hind wing, that is also called the metathoracic wings. The posterior wings, they are transparent, thin, delicate, and help in flying. So they help in flying and they are protective in nature. The flying is covered by the flying or the hind wing are covered by the tegmina. So they are hidden by the tegmina. They are covered or hidden by the tegmina or the forewing. Now we discuss the different system or the anatomy of the cockroach in next video. The cockroach is a brown or black color. They are mostly brown or black color. The scientific name we already told, the Americana periplaneta americana. So they are included the Arthropoda phylum, and the class Insecta. Class Insecta, they are bright yellow, red and green cockroaches have also been reported in tropical region. The main color is brown or black, but the other color, bright yellow, red, green color cockroaches are also seen in the tropical region. They are nocturnal. Nocturnal means they are active during the night. And the size ranges 1/4 inch to 3 inch. The size 1/4 inch to the 3 inch and have long antenna. Legs are there and legs and the body is flat. The flat extension of the upper body wall conceal head. The thorax partially cover the head. The nocturnal omnivorous can feed all the substances and live in damp places. They are found in dark and damp places. And they are found throughout the world. So they are cosmopolitan in nature. They have become residents of human homes and thus a serious pest and vectors of several diseases. Its excreta causes foul smell and it is act as a vector of many diseases. So it is harmful to the living organism and a serious pest for the living beings also.